Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Twitter account. To start this tutorial, go ahead, open and locate your Twitter application on your mobile device. Once your Twitter application loads, hover your touchscreen right now to your profile picture on the upper left, and then tap on it. Once here, click on Settings and Support. Click on the drop-down, then go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on it this time. Once the settings window is already loaded in your mobile device, search for your account. Then tap on it. Once you're here, go over and click on Deactivate your account. In here, it says, find out how you can deactivate your account. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, just tap on the option or the setting, which is deactivate your account. And that's it. Just follow the settings after you tap on deactivate your account. It's that easy. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel.